Welcome to our video on how to choose furniture that fits naturally in your rustic garden. Rustic gardens are all about creating a natural and relaxed atmosphere. And the right furniture can make all the difference. In this video, we will share some tips on how to choose furniture that not only looks great but also fits seamlessly into your outdoor space. First and foremost, look for furniture made from natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal. These materials are perfect for creating a rustic and natural look in your garden. When choosing metal furniture, opt for those that have a natural or distressed finish, which will give a rustic feel. Avoid bright colors or painted finishes, which can look out of place in a rustic garden. Wooden furniture is a great choice for a rustic garden as it can blend and naturally with the surrounding trees and plants. Look for wooden furniture that has a natural or distressed finish, which will give a rustic and weathered look. Stone furniture is another great option for a rustic garden, as it can blend and seamlessly with the natural surrounding. Stone benches or tables can add an elegant and timeless feel to your garden. When selecting wooden furniture, choose wood that is durable and can withstand the elements. Cedar, redwood, and teak are great options that are both sturdy and beautiful. Don't forget to incorporate seating and encourages relaxation and conversation. Swings, rocks, chairs, and benches are all great options for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your rustic garden. Finally, consider furniture that can serve multiple purposes, such as a picnic table that can also function as a workbench or a strong box that can double as a seat. The beautiful rustic garden with a variety of natural furniture pieces and the voice over saying, by following these steps, you can choose furniture that fits naturally in your rustic garden and creates a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere for you and your guests. Thanks for watching our video on how to choose furniture for your rustic garden. We hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.